Welcome to Qredo. In this video, we will walk you through how to purchase cryptocurrency via Qredo's Fiat on-ramp integration. You can easily access Qredo's Fiat on-ramp integration with Banxa via the vault you want to deposit your purchased crypto assets to. Simply navigate to your vault and click on Buy. If you want to purchase crypto assets to be used in your Qredo station, navigate to your Qredo station and click on Top Up. You'll then see the option to buy crypto. Alternatively, you can click on New Transaction to initiate the buy flow. First, select the fiat currency and specify the fiat amount with which you wish to purchase crypto assets. Next, pick the cryptocurrency you're interested in purchasing. Then, choose the vault or wallet where you'd like the assets to be deposited. You'll then be directed to the Banxa interface to place the order. Create the order. You'll need to verify your email address and select your preferred payment method. Please note, if this is your first time using the Fiat on-ramp, Banxa will require you to complete a KYC process. Once you've submitted your order on Banxa, head back to Qredo. You can view your order status. Once your order is complete, you can see your newly acquired assets in your wallet. Congratulations! You're now ready to purchase crypto assets via Qredo's Fiat on-ramp integration.